Hello everyone, welcome to X Cookbook. Today I am going to show you how to make simple and super healthy Pennywort salad. A fresh salad that goes perfectly with rice and curry. For this recipe, you will need these ingredients. First, separate the leaves and remove the thick stems. Wash them thoroughly to remove any dirt. Now place the pennywort on a chopping board and hold it down firmly with your hand. Then finely chop the leaves using a knife. If you notice any large pieces, gather them together under your hand and chop again. This will make the salad soft and easy to mix. Next, slice the onions and green chilies. Grate the coconut. Now let's mix it all together. Add the chopped pennywort, grated coconut, onions and chilies into a bowl. Sprinkle some salt and add a squeeze of fresh lime juice. Use your clean hand to mix everything well. You can gently squeeze the mixture while mixing to bring all the flavors together. There you have it, a fresh and healthy pennywort salad. It's full of vitamins, tasty and the perfect dish for your rice and curry. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious Sri Lankan dishes. Comment below and let me know what you want to see next. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.